Hi and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be making some fish stew, fish gravy, and it's so simple. Let's get started. Into a pot on fire, we'll be going in with some vegetable oil. Add enough oil as you prefer. Go in with some chopped onions. We'll stir these and let it fry for a few minutes. Now we'll introduce our tomato paste. Make sure you stir these and leave it to also fry very well for some few minutes. If your tomato paste do not fry well, you're going to have this sour feel, and we do not want that. So this is just perfect. When you see it just like this, it's fine. Go in with your blended pepper mix. Okay, so that will also be in the description. I'll let you know the things I put together to make this pepper mix. Okay, yeah. Now stir these and leave it to also simmer for few minutes. We'll now be introducing our curry plus, and I'm using Kivo curry plus. You can use any spicy you prefer at this stage. Okay, but this is also good. Now add as much as you prefer, and we'll mix this very well. Stir properly to prevent it from burning, and let everything mix very well. Now that we've done this, the next thing to do is to add our seasoning cube, and I'm using Maggie shrimp seasoning, and I'll be adding some salt to taste. Make sure you stir this and taste it very well. If it's up to your taste, then you should just leave it like this. We've already fried our fish, and I'll be linking the video to that in the description so you can look at how I made the fish before frying it, how I put everything together before frying it. Stir everything up, and I'll go in with any vegetables of your choice. If you do not want vegetables, you can just leave it at this stage and leave it to simmer for a few minutes. And now our fish stew will be ready in no time. But if you want vegetables, you can add as much vegetables as you prefer. And this is what we have. Our fish stew is ready. You can enjoy this with some kinky, yam, rice, and anything you prefer. Okay. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.